Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. If you're new here, hey girl, my name is Kaya. On this channel I do vlogs, I do mostly beauty videos, makeup tutorials, but today is definitely going to be a beauty video. I'm going to start with this LA Girl Perfect Precision Eyeliner pencil. Okay, and ladies, and to carve out the bottom of my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer and the color Fawn. And then to carve out the top, I use the same LA Girl Pro, but in the color Beautiful Bronze. Okay, so now that the shape is carved out, I'm going to blend out my concealer using the Pro Airbrush Detail from Sephora. This is what that brush looks like. It's really dense, picks up a lot of product. Now, I'm going to go in with my Lancome setting powder. It's the Long Time No Shine setting powder in the color Deep from Lancome. It just is very absorbent and it sets the makeup so good. Like, I got this little trick with setting your face with powder before you start your foundation routine from Jackie Aina. And honestly, if I have to go somewhere, like I will do this step for sure. Like, I do not do my makeup without it. 8 times out of 10, I will do this step first. So now I'm gonna go into my eyes. This is a eyeliner from LA Girl. So it's called the LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liner for the eye. It's in the color Deepest Brown. You can see me a little bit better this way. Okay. So I just lined my entire crease area with this pencil. This is the 3503 Fierce by Nature palette from Morphe. Now I'm going to take a small brush, if we can find it. The first color I'm going to take from this palette is going to be this, but it's going to be this color right here. And mix it in here and start to buff this out with. So don't get scared. Don't get scared. If you're getting scared, calm down. What I'm doing is I'm just buffing this out and then I'm dragging that color to the side like it's a wing or something. Like, you see it? You see it. Let's get an actual brush. So this brush is I think clean. Actually, I really don't know, but it don't get no product, so we're using it. So the next color I'm going to take is a lighter color. It's up here in the corner. It's going to be this color right here from the palette. You're going to take this color, pick that up on your brush. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Tap, 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 tap in. So, and then we're going to really like blend this in. You see it like coming together. You see the color like variation coming together. Coming up. Go out. Go out. Right. 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 Okay. I'm gonna add a little more of the darker color for drama. Okay, so the next step that we're going to do for the eye, we're going to go into our Star Siding Compact Neutral Eyeshadow Palette from MAC. This is how it looks. Isn't she so pretty? It's just shimmers. And we're going to be using this color right here at the top. So I'm going to take this brush right here from e.l.f. It's got like this little flat thing going. Build her up on the lid and create that fake, you know, crease. Like following right under where my eye naturally creases at. That's where I'm going to follow. And then I'm just going to color in like so. And bring her out. Right there. Okay, so now that we have both of our eyes done and nice and sparkly, we are going to go in with a liner. And for today, I'm going to be using the liquid liner by Anastasia Beverly Hills ABH liner, liquid liner. Okay, girl. The eyes are basically dramatized. So what we're gonna do now is go ahead and put on our lashes, and I will be right back. Okay, beauty, my lashes are on. Now we're gonna go into foundation. Today's my foundation I'm gonna be using is the Matte Ambition foundation from Covergirl, and it is in the color Deep and Neutral 2. Looks like this. It be matching me. That's what I like. I like that homegirl be matching me. Okay, and for concealer, I'm going to be using Too Faced Born This Way in the color Chestnut. To contour, I'm going to be using this multi-stick by Bite Beauty in the color Anise. So this is how it looks. Then I'm going to take this brush from Sonia Kushnick. It is the Buffing Blender brush, 123. Very thick to do this part. So I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty powder in the color Hazelnut. Okay, so for powder contour, I'm going to use the True Match Super Blendable powder in the color Warm from Deep Golden. I'm sorry, in the color Deep Golden from L'Oreal Paris. It looks like this. And the color we're going to use for blush is going to be the color Queen from the Morphe Blush Palette Cool Pro AC. 8, the number 8 and the letter C. I am going to add a little bit of powder. Fenty Hazelnut to cut my cheeks with. Let that sit long. So I don't let this sit long, I just wipe it right off. So I'm going to spray my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. So I'm going to go with the nude from my lip. To start, I'm going to be using the NYX lip liner in the color Dainty Daze. This color right here, the nude. And I'm gonna line literally the inside of my lip with this and then pat. And then I'm going to take the color brown eyeliner in LA Girl Perfect Precision to line my lips with.
Not what you think. And if I'm being honest, it might have been a nightmare to anyone.
So I just bought this new gloss from Fenty Beauty, and it is the Glass Slipper from Fenty Beauty. Okay. It's thicker. Yeah, it's thick. I like what she's giving. I like what she's giving. She's really bringing everything in together, and we appreciate that. I love it. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go put my hair, take my hair down, put some little curls in it, and then I'll come back with the final look. Okay, girl, this is the final look, and I'm absolutely in love with it. Let me know if you like it in the comment section below. If you made it this far, please don't hesitate to give your girl a thumbs up and subscribe if you like my channel. And yeah, hopefully I see you in the next video. Bye.